Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the ever-advanced portable tall folding camping chair, a versatile and compact solution for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. With a seat height of 30.7 inches, this chair is designed for easy access, making it ideal for seniors, makeup artists, and anyone attending sports events or craft shows. Its compact folded size of 20.5 by 5 by 30.7 inches and convenient carry handle make it perfect for travel and storage. The chair includes a functional side table with a built-in cup holder and phone slot, ensuring your essentials are always within reach, along with a side pocket for additional storage. Comfort is a priority with foam-padded armrests, a footrest, and a spacious 16 by 21-inch seat surface, supporting up to 350 pounds for a variety of activities. Unfolding and folding this chair is a breeze, requiring just a simple one-step process to get you seated quickly. Whether you're at a concert, camping, or just enjoying the outdoors, this chair promises maximum comfort and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.